No matter what you've done, somebody will always criticize you. And if nobody's criticizing you, then something's wrong with what you're doing. One example of this, how many of you heard of the fictional character 𝗎𝗬𝗎? Okay, so 𝗎𝗬𝗎 is a fictional character used in Arabic literature as a form of humor to teach a lesson. So 𝗎𝗬𝗎 was riding out one day with his son. 𝗎𝗬𝗎 is riding this donkey and his son is walking the donkey. And they pass by a group of people, and these people start talking, gossip. And 𝗎𝗬𝗎 hears them. They said, look at this father. He's letting his son walk in the desert and he's riding the donkey. So 𝗎𝗬𝗎 hears this criticism. What does he want to do? He wants to please people. So he stops. He gets off the donkey. He tells the son, you ride the donkey instead. They pass by a second group of people, and these people are talking. Look at this horrible son. His father is walking and he's riding the donkey. What kind of son does that? And they start gossiping. And 𝗎𝗬𝗎 hears this. He wants to please these people. So what does he say? He says, let's both ride the donkey. Maybe people will stop talking about us. They're both riding the donkey. And what happens? They pass by a third group of people, and these people are like, look at these horrible human beings. They're both riding this poor animal, this weak animal. And they're talking. And 𝗎𝗬𝗎's upset. Why are people still displeased with me? So he stops after a while, and they both get off the donkey. He says, let's both walk. They walk by a group of people, and these people are like, look at these fools. They have a donkey and neither one of them is riding. People will always talk and criticize. So what does 𝗎𝗎𝗎 say? He tells his son, let's carry the donkey. They carry the donkey, they pass by a group of people, and they just look at him and laugh. Are you guys seriously carrying a donkey in the middle of a desert? And the problem is, when you live your life to only please other people, you're limiting your potential. You're limiting who you really are. You're limiting all the goals and objectives that will actually benefit you in this life and in the next life. And you're masking and limiting the potential you have to reconnect to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't live your life for other people. However, always be open to criticism in regards to constructive advice. Always be open to growing. Always be willing to accept something in regards to your shortcomings. Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu anhu said, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on a person who shows me my flaws. Because you should always want to grow.